Yeah, so it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon and battery's been, oh, it's charging now. Was just idle for a while ago. Came back now and you can see the solars are running, but the load is 0 and the is on reverse power right now, which is non-solar, right? So the house is running on grid. This explains why. But this one is charging, but there's no load.
It's okay, the lights.
Yeah, but I can't figure this out because now it's switched down to grid.
This one?
Yeah. But it is on auto, so it should be okay. I don't know. Maybe I'll try to turn on the aircon to see what happens. Just hold this one and film. That one I'm gonna turn on the aircon.
Load. 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 Wala load yun eh.
Two aircons and a fridge. Change anything?
No.
Voila, no change, no?
No, yeah.
Yeah, something is not right, man. Supposed to go up, but it doesn't. So what I should do is I should turn this one up to manual. Turn up to manual. And when I turn this one, it's gonna be.
Is it up?